How to add another Gmail account on your iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you have downloaded the Gmail app and you have logged into your current account in order to add another Gmail account. So now once you're inside your Gmail app, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. It might be your profile picture or your initial as your profile. So now once tapped on it, simply tap on the add account option available there. You can see add another account. Now from the list of available account types, tap on the Gmail option available there. You can see various options available. Simply make sure to tap on Gmail. Now continue with the process. All you have to do is enter your Gmail address and tap next. Then enter your password and tap next to complete the sign-in process. So that is it. After logging in, you can choose which items to sync such as mail, contacts, calendar and tap save once you have selected the options. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.